Good morning, students. In the last video, we have seen that Siley is on the moon now, okay, and she's going towards the settlements, okay. Now see what happens with her. The receptionist at the entrance to the base gave some instructions at the very outset, okay. So children, whenever we go to some other cities and we go to other hotel, then the receptionist tell us various instructions, okay. She will tell us the rules which should be obeyed there, okay. So outset means beginning, means at the very starting point she will tell us various things, okay, various rules that we should obey there, okay. So let's see what instruction she gives to the children. I welcome you all to the Neil Armstrong base. To make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable, I would like you to take certain precautions. Okay, so she is welcoming all of the girls, all of the students, okay, to the Neil Armstrong base. So this is the basic thing we do, okay, whenever someone enters our home also, okay. So as she was a receptionist of that settlement, she was welcoming all of them, and she was telling that to make your stay on the moon pleasant and comfortable, I would like you to take certain precautions, okay. So she was willing that their stay on the moon should be pleasant and comfortable. For that, she is suggesting some precautions. So what do you understand by precautions? Precautions means steps taken in advance to prevent something dangerous or unpleasant. So she was telling some precautions so that no one will be harmed, okay, everyone will be safe and comfortable. So see, whenever we go to any another city or country, then it is okay, means some things only different depending upon the location, but now this is the location on the moon, so there must be large amount of precaution should be taken, okay, so that we will live there, so that they will live there comfortably, okay. So now she was telling instructions. Listen carefully to my instructions and please follow them during your stay. So now she is telling some instructions and telling them to follow that. You know that the gravitational force of the moon is 1/6 that of the earth. So the gravitational force on moon and the earth is very different, okay. It is 1/6 that of the earth, means see, if any person is of 60 kgs on the earth, then he will be of 10 kgs on the moon, okay. So such a large amount of difference in weight is there, okay. So she is telling only that if your weight on the earth is 60, then you will be of 10 kgs on the moon. In the human settlements on the moon, a gravitational force equivalent to that of the earth has been artificially maintained. But outside those settlements, the gravitational force of the moon is at work. Okay, so what she is telling that in human settlements means where they are going to live. Okay, in there the gravitational force is maintained to that of the earth, okay, means the gravitational force on the earth and the gravitational force in the settlements is equal, okay, means they're not to worry on that, okay. In the settlements you are safe in the settlements, but outside those settlements the gravitational force is not artificially maintained, okay. It is same as that of the moon, okay. So she is what now see what she is telling. You will have to be extremely careful when you roam around there. Means whenever you are in the settlement, then you are safe, okay, as means you can live as you are living on the earth. But whenever you go out of the settlement for roaming, means for wanderings, for walking purpose, okay, then you should be careful, because the gravitational force outside that settlement is on the moon. So the first point is that you should be careful. The second point to remember is related to shopping on the moon. You all must be interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Okay, so first instruction is related to the gravitational force, and the second instruction is related to shopping. Okay, so students, whenever we go to picnic, then there must be one guide, okay, and that guide will tell you, okay, means where to do shopping. Okay, so it happens, okay, whenever we go to trips, some guide tell us, okay, where to do shopping, where you will get the good items, and you will get the items in your budget. So all such things were told by the guide. So here also that receptionist is telling that you will get the, you should be careful about the shopping, okay, because you almost interested in carrying souvenirs back home from the moon. Okay, so we have learned about the souvenir. What is souvenir? A thing that is kept or bought as a reminder of something. Okay, means we also borrow something at the or shop something from the moon and take that to our home. So while doing that, you should be careful. Please buy the articles only from the shops which are inside the dome-shaped settlements. So she was telling that please buy articles, okay, or the things only from the shops which are present inside the dome-shaped settlements. There you will be assured of genuine articles. Okay, so there you will get the genuine articles, means original articles. Okay. Do not buy anything from the unauthorized shops outside the settlement. Unauthorized means not having official permission or approval. So what she was telling, that the articles which are present in the dome-shaped settlements are genuine. Okay, they are authorized. You can buy from there, but you should not buy from the outside shops, okay, because they are not authorized, they are not officially approved. Okay, so don't take anything from there. I wish you a very happy and pleasant stay on the moon. So she was wishing that they were living very happily and pleasantly. Okay, so what the receptionist advised to the students, that the first instruction was about the gravitational force, that the gravitational force on the moon is 1/6 that of the earth, so be careful. Okay, in the dome shaped settlements the gravitational force is adjusted, okay, or managed to be equivalent to the force on the earth, but outside the settlements the gravitational force is not adjusted, not maintained. Okay, so you must be careful whenever you go out of the settlement for walking. And the second instruction is related to the shopping. Okay, while shopping you have to shop from the shops inside the settlements, then you will get the genuine or original articles. Outside shops are not authorized. Okay, so take from the shops inside the dome shaped settlements. And finally she was wishing them a happy and pleasant stay on the moon. Okay, thank you.